we're really excited to have you here. So I just wanted to welcome everybody and thank you, Kent, for being here.
Thank you so much. It's a really nice intro. I really appreciate having the opportunity to speak here.
Thanks. Yeah, glad to be here, and I can't wait to get into this.
Thank you, Camilo. It was a lot of fun. I really appreciate everybody taking the time to sit through it, and for you inviting me. Thank you.
Boom, it's there. The blog, boom, it's there. And every single one of these, again, is loading data.
Brings us to the saying that you may have heard that with enough eyes, all bugs are shallow.
And when I look at a page like this, I don't look at it, I look at it like a React engineer looks at it.
Things is better, so you can focus more on the bugs on your code and less on the configuration, the operating system, what are you doing, some ports.